Hi guys, my name is Alethea. This is Got You Covered. Today I'm doing a try-on / review of ThredUp. So I ordered, I think, 5 items from ThredUp. Honestly, I feel bad. I kind of forgot what I ordered, which is good since I'll be just as surprised as you are. While I was on the ThredUp website, I thought it was very easy to navigate. So there's a lot of different categories where I could go premium stuff where it's like brand name, super high-end brands. I could search for things that were only new with tags, so that way I could kind of sort out some like older stuff. And then from there I could look for my size, certain colors, certain fits. Like if I only wanted to look at dresses, that was easy to see. So they did a really good job with their website where everything is very searchable. I feel like a lot of online consignment stores are a little bit more chaotic, but I really liked the layout of ThredUp. Thought it was super easy to use. So I found 5 things after a lot of searching. Even though it's an easy to use website, honestly, this is just my opinion, but I felt like there was still a lot of junk on the website. It's not even ThredUp's fault. I just feel like since they allow anyone to send in pretty much anything, there was a lot of brands like, I don't know, Charlotte Russe, Forever 21, LuLaRoe, stuff that I consider not very high quality. So I searched like more on the premium end, like new with tags, just because I was tired of seeing the stuff that I wouldn't want to buy. I don't even like buying that stuff new, so I definitely wouldn't buy it secondhand. But I think what I found is actually pretty high quality, which is impressive that I was even able to find that. And that way I didn't have to go to a higher end like online thrift store like The RealReal. I could find this really good quality stuff on a way cheaper website like ThredUp. All right, so I'm going to open all of these and give you my initial thoughts, and then we'll try them on and see how they fit. Oh, cute. Okay, I like the packaging. Very on brand. The little tissue paper. This little sticker says sealing deals since 2009, and then it has a little hashtag secondhand first, which I like that a lot. Makes you feel like you believe in their brand. Winning me over already before I try on the clothes. Sneaky, sneaky. This is a wool skirt that I found, and I just thought it was so pretty because it has this leather detailing. This is a little bit shorter than I thought it was online, so we'll see kind of where it hits me. I have pretty short legs, so I'm not too worried that it's gonna hit me too high up above the knee. Initial concern. I thought this was longer. It is in fact pretty short. I'm gonna show you how it looks with leggings. All right, here's how it looks with leggings. I feel much more comfortable this way. I feel like my legs aren't out as much. But other than that, I actually do think it's a beautiful piece of clothing. It feels very well made. It feels really, really well structured. I don't think this is gonna be falling apart on me anytime soon. I love this. This is beautiful. There's a little bit of some threads coming loose here. Look, ThredUp. Get it? Oh man, I've been making a lot of bad jokes on this channel recently. Sorry about that. This is beautiful. I really like this. I feel like I could wear this as a jacket or a button-up. Hello. Okay, here is the button-up. I feel like this reminds me of more of like a jacket kind of look than anything else. And I wonder, who is this made for? What sort of arms are designed for this jacket? I'm not sure. Maybe the person who owned this before me had very short arms and tailored it. That's possible. Or maybe this is a little boy's jacket that I have unwittingly bought. Who knows? But the arms are a little short, but that's okay. I feel like I would just like roll it up and pretend I did that on purpose. The fabric feels really, really high quality. I would also double this as a jacket for sure. I think this would be like a really good layering piece just to have like a different shirt underneath and make me a little bit more warm in the winter. Have it be kind of like a cover up for a dress that's a little, you know, has the shoulder showing. I think it's cute. I really like it. For how much I paid for this, not bad at all. I love these buttons. They're so interesting. It's like that metal kind of look that you have on your jeans, but it's the whole thing. It's so cool. It's just so interesting. And then of course this cool stuff on the shoulders. Legit. I can move around. All good things. Next package. Ooh. Well, this is very nice. They're winning me over to their cause yet again. I have a whole letter from ThredUp talking about how great of a person I am for shopping from ThredUp. So I have to say, I feel amazing right now. Who knew consumerism could feel so green? Oh yeah. This is sad that I already forgot what I ordered. Okay, I found another skirt. Kind of gives me like a 60s vibe, I'm pretty sure. My fashion history class is still in my brain. I like it. I think it's very simple, and I like, this is a very thick skirt. I feel like this is a really good quality. So one loose thread here. That's about it. I'm pretty sure this one said it was like new. This is one thing that I feel like happens all the time at thrift stores, where the little latch on the back doesn't work anymore, but this one does, so that's good. That was one thing that I was kind of worried about shopping online, is I feel like some of the quality you just can't look for, you can't know for sure. Like zippers not working or buttons coming off, you can't really tell online, but it seems like their descriptions of this stuff has been very accurate so far. I like this. It's a little bit short for me. I feel like I would like it to just be like literally just a smidge longer. Again, this is one of those things that I feel like shopping online, it's never perfect. I always advocate for, especially even thrift shopping, just going to a thrift store and trying things on, but I do like how many options I get by shopping on ThredUp. I think the idea that you're not gonna find good quality stuff sometimes stops people from shopping on online thrift stores, but I feel like if you are willing to dig and really look for stuff that's good quality, you can find it. So overall, I'm really, really happy with this. Oh yeah, literally every time I'm so surprised. Oh, this is beautiful. I think this is linen, and it's just a soft little button up. I like striped button ups. I have 2 already, but I felt like I should have 3. Now this, I realize with the combination, looks a little funny. It's okay, let's move on. For some reason, I just didn't look close enough. I thought this would button a little bit higher, so it's a little bit low. I feel like all of these have like a couple little things wrong with them, and that's just kind of the risk that you run by shopping online. There's never gonna be something that's like totally perfect. I really feel like that's fine. I think I can turn all of these into something that I like. I could easily add a button, you know, just make this something that's more my standards. Besides that, I liked the tassels at the end. I just feel like this is so unique. I think it's that very like oversized kind of flowy look, which is definitely in fashion right now. So this is just like a classic that I really like to search for when I'm at any sort of thrift store. I just feel like those are the best places to look for the basics. And I think a good striped shirt is a basic. It's beautiful. A cable knit sweater. I think this looks really nice. It feels really nice. I think this was one of the ones that said it was like new, or maybe it was new. I feel like I feel a tag in there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is new because it still has some extra thread in there, which is super cute. Wow, look at that. I shouldn't give ThredUp all the credit. This is Craft and Borrow. Am I saying that right? Whatever. I like this. I like this a lot. I actually don't have any problems with this. I love how this is super basic. It's not really attention calling. It's very seasonless. So I could have this be like one of my capsule pieces. So overall, I'm really happy with everything that I bought. I don't feel like the descriptions lied about anything, and I feel like I was able to find things that were very well constructed. So I got a sweater, a jacket slash button up, 2 skirts, and button up for $86. And this is pretty good stuff. I feel like if I was just shopping regularly, one piece might cost me $86. Thank you so much for watching this ThredUp review. I hope it was helpful. It was really fun for me kind of checking this out and trying something new. I know not everything was perfect, but honestly, I actually would suggest that you check it out and see if you can find some things that you love as well. There's such a huge selection on there. I feel like it's definitely one of the biggest online thrift stores that I've ever found. It's really easy to navigate, and I'm a huge advocate for sustainable fashion, and I feel like shopping secondhand is one of the best ways to do it. So I think it's great to try to support those places that are doing the right thing. Special shout out to Teresa for giving me such a good idea. I actually didn't even give ThredUp a thought before you suggested that for me, so thank you. I'm really glad I got to check it out, and I hope that you feel a little bit more prepared to check it out for yourself now. There's some really good deals on there. Have fun shopping. If you liked this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe, because I come out with fashion-related, modest-centered content every single week. See you next time. Trying on and reviewing a haul from ThredUp. Viewing and trying on a haul from ThredUp. From ThredUp. Oh, I caught them!